Hello students, I welcome all of you online classes with AK. Today in this video we are going to study about active and passive voice. In my previous video already we have discussed about tense, modal verbs and let sentences. Who have not seen my previous video, just you watch the previous video of tense and modal verbs and let sentences. In this video we are going to study about imperative sentences. In imperative sentences, we will use this formula while from changing from active to passive voice, let plus object plus be plus verb third form. If sentences are containing request, advice or order in active voice, then we will use you are requested, you are ordered, you are advised in passive voice. Now we will start from first sentence. Close the door. Here is our formula. We have to follow this formula while from changing from active to passive voice. Our passive voice will come. Let the door be closed. Here according to that formula, first of all we have to write down here let, then object is the door, then we have to write down we, then verb third form is here were closed. Now we will see the second sentence. Post the letter. Here is our formula. We will change from active to passive voice with the help of this formula. Our passive voice will come. Let the letter be posted. First of all we will use here let, then object is the letter, then afterward we, then verb third form here posted. So our passive voice will come. Let the letter be posted. Now we will see the next sentence. Please sit down. Already I told you, if in the active voice request, advice or order will come, then in the passive voice we will use you are requested, you are ordered, you are advised. And our passive voice will come, you are requested to sit down. Now we will see next sentence. Finish it. We will follow this formula, then we will change from active to passive voice. So our passive will come. Let it be finished. By seeing this formula, first of all we will use let, then object is it, then be, then verb third form finish. So our passive voice will come. Let it be finished. Now we will see next sentence. Meet me tomorrow. Here is a formula. And we will try to change from active to passive voice by seeing this formula. Now the passive voice will come. Let me be met tomorrow. First of all we will use here let, then object is me, then we, then here meet third form that met will come, then here tomorrow. So our passive voice will come. Let me we met tomorrow. Now we will see the next sentence. Help Sajal's brother. Then we will change according to this formula. Let Sajal's brother we help. First of all we will put let, then here object is Sajal's brother, then afterward be, then here verb third form. So the passive voice will come. Let Sajal's brother be helped. Now we will see next sentence. Repair your mobile. Then we will follow this formula. By seeing this formula we will change from active to passive. So our passive voice will come. Let your mobile be repaired. First of all we will put let, then object is your mobile, then we will use be, then repair is a first form here in active voice, then we will in the passive voice we will use as a third form, then repaired will come, we will put ed, then our passive voice will come. Let your mobile be repaired. Now here we will see next sentence. Do it. Then our formula let plus object plus be plus verb third form. Then here our passive voice will come. Let it be done. It means first of all we have to use here let, Then object is here it, then we will use it. Then we, then do is here in the active voice, do is first form, then do, then we have to use as a third form, done will come, so our passive voice will come, let it be done. Suppose here if there is written in active voice you do it, then how we will change in passive? For that let we will see in next sentence, then you will better understand. So we will see next sentence, there is written you do it, then our formula is here let plus object plus be plus verb third form, then our passive voice will come, let it be done by you. Then there is a, according to that formula, there is written let, so we will also write let in the passive voice. Then here object is here it, so we will also write here it. Then afterward we will write be. Then in the active voice there is written do, so we have to write down in passive as a verb third form, so that done will come here, then why, then you. So here our passive voice will come, let it be done by you. And here is some work for you. You have to complete this. Change the following sentences into passive voice. First one is open the door. Second, please do it. Third, ask him. Fourth, always speak the truth. Fifth, please come here. You have to complete this and change from active to passive voice. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel so you will get latest notification. Okay, bye. Then see you in the next class.